Thank you for coming to KSHB.com and checking out the weather blog. A very interesting morning here in Kansas City. We had freezing fog, which is basically fog forming when temperatures are below freezing. And you get a little frost on some surfaces and definitely the grassy surfaces, and even deposits a little light moisture, and it can cause some black ice and slick spots, and there were accidents today, especially on bridges and overpasses. Now the question is, well, the fog is lifting, the temperatures are going above freezing, so no longer ice, but what about the sun? Earlier thinking is that the sun would come out, we'd get into the low 50s or 50 today. Not so sure about that here as I record this. The clouds are hanging tough, so I think our highs will be around 50, if not 45, in a few locations, if not lower, if the clouds hang on. You can see on the visible satellite, as these low clouds in the southeast are kind of drifting northwest, and then we have clouds from a storm system coming in from the south, so it'll be very hard to clear out. And that storm system with a little rain in southwest Kansas twirling around, that is storm system number 1. There's also 3 storm systems we're going to track as well, so we'll get into that in a second. And we have the one over us, and then we have a series of them coming into the western United States. California is about to get bombarded with more precipitation as these storm systems come in off of the Pacific. So let's get into our PowerCast. Now, PowerCast has this afternoon us with a lot less clouds and around 49, 50 degrees. This may be underdone on the clouds and a little overdone on the temperatures, but we're going to go 50. And again, it really depends on the clouds. Then tonight, clouds are going to thicken back up regardless as that first storm system moves in. But tomorrow morning, if we have some fog and low clouds, it's 38. So we're not going to have to deal with any freezing fog. There might be a little mist or drizzle around. Cloudy all day tomorrow, but temperatures may still warm into the low 50s as the dew points rise. It becomes humid enough. Dew points could get to 45 or 50, so even despite the clouds, we could still warm up during the day. The main rain will be off to our east, but we still could have a little drizzle or a few rain showers around. Then Thursday night into Friday morning, the clouds remain. Could be a little mist or drizzle around. Friday mornings in the low 40s, around 43 degrees. And then during the afternoon on Friday up to 55, and you can see the clearing line approaching. 60 in Sedalia. I think we'll see some sun on Saturday. Could get close to 60 degrees. And look at the southwest United States, bombarded California, Arizona. Great news. Those are some drought areas. They really need the moisture, so they'll be getting that. So let's get into this. Here's what we're dealing with. There's a little storm system, that one producing a little bit of rain in Kansas. That's the first storm system. And then that's going to move off here over the next 24 hours. Then a second storm system comes in on Friday and into Saturday. And that goes into Kansas, lifts north, may bring a little bit of light rain to our west. Again, keep the drizzle chance going into Friday. And then there's a third storm system on Saturday into Sunday, much stronger. But it looks like that will stay to our south. There's a chance of rain with that. And all rain, because look where the Arctic air is. Way up in northern Canada right now and into Alaska. And before we go any further, I want to show you these temperatures across the area. We're going to check this right here. Where are the temperatures? I will find it. But it is, you're not going to believe how cold it is right now in Alaska. Let me find these temperatures. I promise I will find the temperatures. Here we are. There you go. So 32 here this morning, but look at temperatures in Alaska. It is 46 below zero in Fairbanks right now. No sign that's coming in anytime soon, but the middle 2 weeks of February, the Arctic air will be unleashed once again. And so, yes, we could definitely get back into that problem, but not right now. So let's go into the forecast. So there's the first storm system there. That, as I said, let's redo this here. Then there's a second one that's going to come in, go through the Rockies, keep the precipitation in the west. That kind of lifts north and weakens, and then the stronger one stays to the south of us. We're on the northern edge, so we could get a little rain Saturday night or Sunday, but basically what we're looking at over the next 4 or 5 days is very stormy in the west. California is going to get bombarded. Heavy snow in the mountains, great for the ski resorts. And then, for us, mainly mild, a lot of clouds, a little bit of light rain over the next few days. The heaviest will be off to our south. So, pretty interesting there. So here is our forecast for today. You can see a mixture of sun and clouds, 3 and 5. We're going 50 at 3 p.m. That may be optimistic, 46 at 5. And then whether we see any clearing or not, it's going to cloud back up tonight. And more fog possible tomorrow morning, but look, 39 degrees. And so our weather headlines here, the low cloud issue, which affects temperatures, more fog possible Thursday, but no black ice. And then tracking 3 storm systems, rain, ice, or snow. Well, no ice or snow, maybe a little bit of light rain. So here is the 7-day forecast. Not bad, really. 53 Thursday, 57 Friday, 60 on Saturday. We'll see some sun, that little chance of rain on Sunday. And then still remaining mild. There's another system on Tuesday, but that also could be rain. Just simply too mild. Have a great rest of your day.